Varadero is an amazing bay city in Cuba. You can swim in the clear blue water and wake of the sun white sand. There are many nice places to visit, like the Varadero Park and the Dolphin Center. You can take photos, relax, and enjoy the warm Caribbean water. Food and shopping. In Varadero, there is delicious for ever here. You can free seafood, Cuban sandwich, and sweet tropical fruit. There are many small shops where you can buy souvenirs, tears, hands, handmade craft. You can also drink nice Cuban coffee and enjoy local chocolates before coming back home.